Here I drained all my engine coolant, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the oil filter all the way up there, somewhere up there. Here's the side that has the oil filter. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this socket, long extension. I gotta put my phone down and use both hands. I cleaned this all up a little bit, as much as I can, and then I took off this gasket, went right there, and then I'm gonna put this new gasket on and this new filter. I'm gonna throw it on, and then she's all set. Junction socket, and it'll turn. It's supposed to just turn counterclockwise. Turn for me, baby. She's turned. Here I drained all my engine coolant, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the oil filter all the way up there, somewhere up there.